All right, my friends, let's get started with composition of functions. Composition of functions is literally just asking to plug in a function into a different function. So if we're looking at number one, this is what's given. We have f of x is equal to negative 3x plus 7, and g of x is equal to 2x squared minus 8. And our question is asking f of g of x. That's how we read that. How we also can read this is f o g in parentheses of x. This is saying exactly the same thing. F of g of x. And to do this now, let's go ahead and figure out what we're plugging into one another. Let me use different colors. I think that would be better. I made this red, but I'm going to go ahead and change that. So this is number one, f of, and then I'm going to put g of x in red. And I'm going to change this to red, so you know when I'm plugging it in. So if we look at f of g of x, we have f on the outside and g of x on the inside. That is asking you, we know that f of x looks like that, f of x. So I am plugging in my g of x function, this whole thing, inside the x value of my f of x function. So that's all I'm doing, is I'm plugging it in. So I have g of x goes on the inside of the x variable. So I have negative 3x plus 7 for my f of x. I know that I'm going to plug something in for my x value. My g of x is going to go in there. Sorry. Plus 7. This is just a skeleton of my f of x. Inside is going to go my 2x squared minus 8. Because once again, my g of x is going inside of my x value. So now I distribute. I have negative 3 times 2x squared, which is negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times negative 8, positive 24, plus 7. So I got negative 6x squared plus 31. That's it. We're done. That's all you got to do. This question, again, is just asking you, can you plug in functions correctly? And then once you plug it in, can you do algebra? Can you go ahead and simplify everything to make sure that you get to your form that you want? An expansion, if you will. So if you have questions about this question, let me know. I'll be around. You can always email me. But let's go ahead and do the harder one. Oh, I shouldn't have erased that, but that's okay. No big deal. So we have f of x is equal to negative 3x plus 7. And I have g of x is equal to, and I'm going to use my red pen, 2x squared minus 8. So this next question is asking g of x. As a reminder that this can get changed into the other format if that's what you like. G of f of x. So my f of x is going to go inside. I'm going to use red to show my g of x. So I have g of f of x. So my g function is going to be my skeleton, while my f of x is going to be replacing my x value in here. So I have this equal to my g of x, so I have 2 times x, something is going to go inside there, my f of x is going to go inside there, squared, can't lose that squared, please don't lose my squared, minus 8. And then inside goes my f of x function, I have negative 3x plus 7. Now, we must have 2 still outside. I'm going to expand this. I have to expand this. So I have 2 times, so inside parentheses is happening negative 3x plus 7 times negative 3x plus 7. Because that's what my squared is doing. Squaring it means that I am expanding this. And then still on the outside is minus 8. Now we have to FOIL. We have to distribute. Negative 3x multiplies to negative 3x and 7. And then 7 multiplies to negative 3x and 7 as well. So negative 3x times negative 3x is 9x squared. Negative 3x times 7 is negative 21x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21x as well. 7 times 7 is 49. And this is all still happening inside parentheses. We know that because this 2 still needs to multiply everything later. I know, it's going to feel like a lot, but that's okay. It's no big deal. In math, things can be a lot, and we just go through it, and that's okay. So I have 2 times, and let's go ahead and combine our like terms. I have 9x squared. Oop, I should use a different color. 9x squared minus 21x is negative 42x plus 49. And now we must distribute my 2. Distribute to all 3 terms, because I have 3 terms now. 2 times 9 is 18x squared. 2 times negative 42x is negative 84x. 2 times 49 is 98. So times plus 98 minus 8, because here, and I can use a different color if that's going to make you feel more happy with it. Can I combine my like terms? Yes, I can. I have 18x squared minus 84x plus 90. A reminder, you can literally do anything in math, and that's why you're so limitless, because math is crazy. Math is cool like that. If you have questions about composition of functions, please seek me out. I'll be there for you. For the other problem in our study guide, just know that it's not going to be on the test. However, I would love for you to try it anyway. I believe in you and I appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye.